Get It Out the Mud 901, KEMIMOTO.com, KEMIMOTO on Facebook. Go check them out. They got everything you need to get it out the mud. So check out what we got this time. We got 2 awesome storage boxes for the Polaris Ranger 1000. Mine's a 2021. This will fit most models with the bed holes. So we got 2 different boxes here. Both of these came in very nice packaging. 2 big cardboard boxes, packed well, both wrapped in plastic. I have unwrapped this one already. We still yet have to take the plastic off of this box here. So let's do that now and get that one unwrapped. Of course, they both came wrapped up like this, very nice. So we don't get damaged in shipping. So we got 2 different boxes here by KEMIMOTO. Very, very nice storage boxes. Now, not only could they be used for storage, but I know what we're going to use this big bad boy right here for. Well insulated. We have our weather stripping there. Keep water out. Keep water in if you want to put water in. So what do we have here? Let's check out the little mysterious package. Well, look at there. They have thought of everything. Combination lock. Definitely a bonus there. So you have our combination lock. Looks like a tether for our lock, so we don't lose our lock. Very, very awesome. So let's open this one up here, and look at there. Wouldn't you know it? Another combination lock. Another tether for your lock, so you don't lose that. They really thought of everything with these 2 storage boxes. And this one will definitely be used for a cooler. No more loading our cooler up, taking it from the house, all of that good stuff. We are going to have a cooler integrated into the bed of the Polaris Ranger from here on out. This one will definitely keep tools and stuff in, all kind of different tools. You already know when you're riding, we keep a little bit of everything. Jumper cables, air pump. Now I got a place to store all of that with a weather tight seal that's going to keep everything nice and dry the way it should be when you're riding. Like I said, these will just slide down in your bed holes of the Ranger. You got little plastic tabs here to keep the noise down, won't be rattling up against your bed. And we will pull the Ranger out and get these installed for you. I'll show you how they look. Very nice quality, high quality. Just a good storage box slash cooler. This is going to be my KEMIMOTO cooler from now on in my Ranger. I'm leaving it in there. I might install a drain plug just so I can drain the water out without having to pull it back out. And this will definitely be for our tools, you know, air pumps, all that good stuff, some other stuff. Two great boxes. So yeah, man, let's pull the Ranger out. let's get these bad boys installed and y'all can see what they look like in the bed of the Ranger. All right, now that we got Christine pulled out, let's get these KEMIMOTO storage boxes, aka cooler. That's what we're going to use. This is going to be a dedicated cooler from here on out. And I am going to get me an Amazon drain plug, drill me a hole at the bottom of this and put me a drain plug in it so I don't have to remove that to discard the water when I'm done using it for the day. So let's get these installed. These will go in the bed holes here like so. And upon further review, I thought maybe you could put this in several different ways, but that's not the case. It does go in one way. So here's our tether. So we're gonna slide that tether in right here. This is gonna be for our lock so we don't lose our lock, which I thought this is a pretty cool design. So we're gonna slide it down in the bed holes like so. And there you have your dedicated cooler with your lock on a tether. So when you got it locked up, put our code in here so you don't lose your lock. So bam. So there's that. Then we'll take our storage box. I'm going to do the same thing here. Let's get our tether and our lock out. This will be our toolbox. We're going to keep all our tools in here. Our air pump, different tools for riding, air pump, whole bunch of different items. Same deal here. We got our tether, went inside our prong there so we don't lose it. Boom, we can lock everything up. Very cool idea. This comes with the lock, so you can dip them in there when you got them unlocked if you don't want to roll around with them. Sticking out the side, you can just lock that bad boy down and dip it over the side there. Dedicated cooler, plenty of space, plenty of cooler space. Waterproof, watertight lid. Same for our toolbox. These are definitely staying on. So let's go ahead and load some tools up in that bad boy. We've got a few tools here that I'm gonna keep in here. A battery tender for one. Always need a hammer. A good pair of pliers. We'll load it down with some other tools too when we get some. Haven't had a dry box in so long that I don't have a lot of tools right now to put in the Ranger because I chopped my seats down, had to jump the battery off. So I had to pull out my buckets for my dry boxes where I kept all my tools. But now I got somewhere good to keep all my stuff. We got a tow rope there. We got our mini chainsaw, some lubricant, and we're able to close that up, lock it up, keep it secure, keep them cold and secure when we're on the trails. Y'all keep y'all's grubby hands off my drinks because I'm gonna lock them down now. But yeah, man, look, you can fit a ton of tools in here. Plenty of space for tools. We can shut that bad boy up. And we can lock it down tight. Keep everything nice and secure. Get our cold drinks out of here, sandwiches, whatever for the trails, chips, snacks. Keep that locked up. Loving the KEMIMOTO toolbox and our makeshift cooler, dedicated cooler. They're really storage boxes. You can do whatever you want to with them. This one's definitely advertised as a storage box, but if you wanted to, you can make a cooler out of this one. You can make a cooler out of either one. But I know when we usually ride with a lot of people. We got a big group, so we definitely need a bigger cooler. We got us a dedicated cooler now, baby. Dedicated cooler for the Ranger with a lock. Got our toolbox. Everything snugged in tight. It's not coming out of there. Looking good, feeling good. KEMIMOTO's got your back on the trails all the time. Complete journey of dreams. Y'all make sure y'all go check out KEMIMOTO.com, KEMIMOTO on Facebook. Like, subscribe, join the channel, join our Facebook group, Get It Out the Mud 901. We do giveaways from time to time, and man, we get it out the mud. Keep them rides going. Check out all the videos, all the tools, all the different products, all the reviews, unboxings on there. We got a lot of riding videos, more coming up, and we're just gonna keep getting it out the mud, keep living life, and keep riding, baby. Get Out the Mud 901.